Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. Here to talk to you about a new arrival. We just got Boston Whalers 2020-21 Montauk. It's the new design on it. It's absolutely gorgeous. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 21 Montauk. I'll start at the back of the boat. We've got a phenomenal power pack on there. It's the new Mercury Verado V6 200. It is a rocket ship. This boat is going to fly, pop right up on plane. Phenomenal engine. You've got the two seats in the back, and they're actually fold-down seats. When you're going for a ride, they're like this, but when you're fishing, drop them down. You can fish off the back, no problem. Very large live well right here. Very, very convenient, easy to access. Rod holders, you got 4 here, 4 up above. And as we move to the helm, really nice setup on the helm. You've got the Raymarine touchscreen, Fusion stereo control right here, trim tabs, digital throttle and shift. Really beautiful helm. Then we've got the cabin, the little cabin underneath. Lot of storage room. You can anything, you can cushions and everything else will all fit in here. So huge storage in there as well. And then the bow, fantastic. You got a lot of room up here. You've got a cooler with a seat on it, so it holds 2 people. Large Yeti cooler on it. You have backrests or rod holders, however you prefer. The nice sun pad, fishing platform if you're fishing. You're all set up for a trolling motor as well. The T-top on there. What a great boat. So if you got any questions on it or would like to come see it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.